आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में।
Hi, I welcome you all in this new video. In this new video, we'll learn some new Excel tips. For example, I want to write the name of the country and their capital. This is an assignment given to a student. Let's see how he can proceed. First of all, go to Google, open your page, and I have already done it. Write country and the capital. Go for search, and here it is showing. This is the very good site, first site which is appearing. So I have clicked on this, and if I scroll down here, here are the name of the country. For example, I am taking Afghanistan, copy it, I am taking it to the Excel file. Here I am just pasting it, just double click it to adjust it. Then I am going to take few more countries. For example, let's take I am taking these countries. Control C from here, and I am pasting it down here. So this is the name of some countries from alphabet A and B. But see, when I have copied it from the internet source, it is not appearing in a good manner. So what I can do? I can use one function, that is trim function. Trim, start bracket, take text, close, hit enter, and here you can see it has come in a very fair manner. Now just drop it down from top to bottom, and in the similar manner left to right, the formula is copied. So now what I have taken from the internet and what is presented here is bit different. So I don't require now these columns, so I am deleting them. But what has happened? Because I have applied a function. So in order to retain this is very important. You need to keep in mind. Just do this, and now if you want to delete those cells, what you need to do? Select here and select the entire data. How to do that? Control Shift down key arrow and 1 this way. I have copied it by using Control C. When this running text you are finding, when you are finding this running border, means your text is copied. Now I want to paste them in some other cell. How to do that? I am using here some shortcut keys. Observe Alt H. I want to use V from here, V, and then I want to use paste special. So I have to press S. And in S, by this window will pop up. Just use the down key arrow, values, hit enter. Now this is come. Now if I am deleting these two columns, what is happening? This has showing something wrong, because that was applicable with a formula. But now I don't want that, so I am deleting this. So this is the data that is available to me. It is now coming in this way that I have entered my own, but it is a copied material from internet source. So this is first tip that you have learned, trim tip. Now let's learn the second tip of the day. Second tip is, if I want to combine them, these Afghanistan and the Kabul, its capital, is appearing in a different cell. But if I want to combine them in a single cell, what is the formula? We can use a formula known as concatenate. We can use a formula, just type CON and it will appear. Now it is saying take text 1. This is text 1, apply comma. Now it is asking for text 2. I'm taking this, close parenthesis, hit enter and see. Just double click here. It will show you that it is coming into one single cell. But it is not appearing good because I want a space in between, but space is missing. So what to do in that case? In that case, in this formula bar, go to formula bar and just here use double hash by using shift and semicolon colon, give space and again use double hash, apply comma, and then next text is already selected, just hit enter. Now Afghanistan and Kabul, there is a space in between the two. If you drag it down, here the entire results are there that we are expecting, that we want to obtain. Even I don't want this, what to do? I want that between these two columns, when I take them into a single cell and is applied, how to proceed? For that purpose, the same formula will apply, but we have to make some changes. Now see what the changes are there. Use the same formula, text 1. What is text 1 for this purpose? Here text 1, here is text 1, comma, then text 2. Instead of text 2, we will use double hash and then give space, apply and, give space, double hash, comma, and next Kabul, hit enter. Now you see what has happened. It has fixed and if you drag it down, everywhere in the cell you will find the and has been inserted between the name of the country and the capital. So this is just an exemplary, this is the data to help you understand how we can do this. For example, there is a match series which is going on, India and Australia. In similar manner, there are other countries. So I want to write here India versus Australia. How to do that? Concatenate, then take text India, comma. Now the second text, so I will take double hash, give space, I will write versus, I will give space, double hash again, apply comma. Now it is saying take third text. In this case, this will give our third text. So if I hit enter, here it is mentioning India versus Australia. So I have given you 3 examples where space is there and is there and versus is there. Let's see one more function. I want to apply hyphen. For that, let me copy this down. This is the, I am copying it, but this time I want a hash to be used. For example, again use the same concatenate, take the first text, this is the first text, comma, I will use double hash, space, I want to use hash, dash in between the two, will give space again, double hash, comma, and third text. Close, hit enter and see how it is appearing in different way. So Concatenate function is used to combine the text given into different cell in your desired manner.
फिर हाजिर होंगे नए विषयों के साथ। तब तक देखते रहें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। नए वीडियो की जानकारी की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाइए।